What's going on, folks? I'll be showing you the 2022 Scarab 195 Impulse. New graphics for 2022, beautiful. Matting graphics on the side here. Black and white. Rotax. This one has the 250 motor, enough power to tow tubers, skiers, wakeboarders. The Versa Lounge. Stepping in the boat here. Removable matte reed flooring. Nice space in the bow. Speakers everywhere. In-store floor or in-floor storage. Let's see if I can lift up the. There's your motor. Supercharged. Single battery. Storage underneath all the seats. Helm gauge here. Stainless steel toggle switches. Stereo. This one will fit 8 people. Kicker stereo system. There is your Scarab 195 Impulse. Thanks for watching.